Hi everyone, this is Myisha N. I'm from Texas Tech University, and today I'm going to show you a day in the life of a marketing intern in Barcelona. But first, I gotta go get ready. Hi again. So I'm an intern with Adler and Marlowe. It's a luxury travel company, and the dress code is not strict at all. It's just that you have to look presentable. So I'd say business casual, kind of like a summer dress, cute top, jeans is okay. Just not t-shirt and leggings, like not full-on casual. A little bit of background information about me. I'm from Bangladesh. As I said earlier, I go to Texas Tech University. I'm a marketing major there, and I'm about to start my senior year. So just a year till I graduate. Okay, we're ready to head out. So one of the many things that I love about my apartment is how that cute little coffee place is just across the street from it, and they have really good coffee, so it just wakes me up, gets me ready for my day. The other is how close the Sagrada Familia is to my apartment, as you can see behind me. So I got really lucky, and my walk to work is an 11-minute walk in a straight line, so that's pretty nice. I'm heading there right now. Adler and Marlowe is a luxury travel company which plans trips for clients. We understand that every client has something different that they would want from a vacation. So it's just about tailoring the trip to make their vacation dreams come true. And that makes every day at work a little different, and I love that. So as I said earlier, Adler and Marlowe specializes in designing custom trip plans for our clients who all have unique needs and wants out of their vacation. Since it's a constantly changing market, it involves a lot of research, and that's part of my job, just doing the research and building databases so that we can make trip plans easily. Along with managing the website and blog, as I showed earlier, I also help build up the other social media, come up with strategies, and just help my supervisors, Danny and Jess, out in every way possible to draft some cool trip plans. So these are my supervisors, Danny and Jess. So this is Danny.
Hello.
Danny, what is your favorite part about having an international intern work for you?
Well, it's super helpful having somebody who's eager to learn a whole bunch of new things and to help us kind of with all of our tasks. And it's also an interesting exchange because while teaching things that we feel to be, almost second nature, we readdress certain tasks and we can have the opportunity to look into new systems and to explore potentially new ways of doing things as we have someone come on board and learning all these little nitty-gritty of how to run the company. It's a rewarding experience, I think, for both sides, and we really enjoy having an intern on board.
And this is Jess. What are some advice that you would have for a future marketing intern in the tourism industry?
I would say that preparation is key. So the more research you do before you start your internship, the better. And the more you know about a place before you arrive, the easier it's going to be for you to orientate yourself to the city and start off on the right foot in your internship. There's always lots to learn, so it's good to have a nice base before you get here.
Hey guys, so I'm finally done with work for the day, and I'm heading to an authentic Barcelona cooking class courtesy of Global Experiences. A little nervous because I can't cook, but it's a cooking class for a reason, right?
playing defensive and it's going to go wrong. Yeah, so I know, and that's, I feel like they're very good at keeping that in mind.
Hi guys, I'm finally back home. Thank you for following me into the life of a marketing intern with global experiences. It's been so amazing to have this opportunity to show off how much I've been loving this life, and all I would like to say is that if you're on edge about traveling abroad or studying abroad or interning abroad, like, this is an opportunity that you should grab. I mean, it's right there. You can just grab it, just seize the day, right? It's definitely so amazing to live in a culture and experience it, all the while just building your resume, building all of these skills and meeting so many amazing people. If you can experience something like this, grab it. That's all I want to say.